lit, wide, and local. It's Midday Diva AP. Hey, it is Thursday. I'm back with my girl, Gwennetta Wright. How you doing, boo?
Hey, girl.
All right, Gwennetta. Ooh. First of all, tell everybody if you have not gotten your taxes done, or if you have previous year taxes, or any kind of tax issue, where can they find you?
So you can find me at 3604 Macon Road, Suite 15. We're in the shopping center right behind the Dairy Queen on the Macon Road. So come see us. We're open usually from 10 to 7, Monday through Friday, 10 to 2 on Saturday.
Okay, and we can also submit it online, right?
Oh, yeah, online, girl. See my mind bad online. www.xperttaxservices.com. I'm good, tired. They don't want me out.
Yes, okay, because taxes are dropping.
Yeah,
People
it is.
getting money.
It is. People getting money.
I always know, because when I go to Home Goods or when I go to Burlington or all those stores,
They be crowded.
yes, and ain't nothing in the home section.
I
feel
just
like
don't.
tax time, everybody redo.
I don't even go out. I don't even go to like stores or out to eat during this time.
Yeah, it's safer. It really is.
It really is.
Okay, so today I have the question that it used to affect me. It doesn't right now, but for people who get a 1099, okay, they used to tell me you need to file quarterly. You need to pay your taxes quarterly. I didn't, because I had 7 kids, baby. So I was going to be okay.
Mm-hmm.
But for 1099, should you pay your taxes every 3 months?
That's a really good question. So definitely, if you a 1099 person that get a 1099 is considered an independent contractor.
Okay.
And because you're an independent contractor, you're considered having a business ultimately.
Mm-hmm.
It falls on a form Schedule C, and you're subject to self-employment taxes.
Okay. So
yes, you should pay your taxes quarterly. The dates for that is April the 15th, June the 15th, September the 15th, and the following year, January the 15th is the last payment for that for a tax year.
Is it cheaper if you do it like that?
It ain't that it's cheaper. It's just the fact that, self-employment tax represents Social Security and Medicare taxes.
Okay.
And so, like, when you have a job, it's 4 taxes they take out. They take out your federal taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and state. So, when we do the adjustments, which is like the W-4 form, you can adjust how much they take out in federal. You can adjust how much they take out in state, but you can't adjust what they take out in Social Security and Medicare.
Okay.
And so that's what you're responsible for when it comes to having a 1099. You are required to pay that Social Security and Medicare. And so that's why you should be paying it quarterly.
Okay. And then it seems it'll be more manageable too.
Yes, because when you because when you don't pay it, and with a lot of people that have 1099s, what the problem with them is as well is they don't keep up with their expenses, because now you can write off expenses pertaining to whatever job you are doing. Mm-hmm. They don't keep up with those expenses, and then when they come file their taxes, they don't have the write-offs to reduce their income, ultimately making them pay more in self-employment tax.
Okay. Is having an LLC and a 1099, is that 2 different things?
It is 2 different things. Okay. 1099 is income related. A LLC is business structure related. Okay. So a person with an LLC can file 2 different ways. Well, 3 actually. They can file LLC single member who has not elected to be taxed as a S corp. They can file on a Schedule C. Okay. On the individual taxes. One that elect to be taxed as an S corp, they file at S corp corporate taxes. One that has multiple members in their LLC, they file a partnership return. So it's a lot to it.
Okay, last question, and this question is for me personally this week. Can you write off medical expenses? Oh,
that's a good one. I think I just did a video on it. So you can write off medical expenses, but it's a catch to it. So 1, you got to be itemizing in order to write it off. That's number 1. And then number 2 is you have to have medical expenses that is 7.5% of your AGI. So an example of that is someone who made $100K, for instance. In order for the medical expenses to even calculate on the itemization form, they would have had to pay over $7,500 in medical expenses. So it's not like it's giving you a whole lot of, like, giving you some money back because it's a part of a deduction. But you have to pay so much for it to even calculate a count.
Wow. It's always a catch to it.
It's always a catch to it. Always.
Gwen, they got to visit you on Macon Road. Give them the address again.
Again, it's 3604 Macon Road, Suite 15. I'm right behind the Dairy Queen in the shopping center.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And online too.
And online, www.xperttaxservices.com.
My tax guru. Gwen, I'll see you next week.
See you next week early. Hey, y'all. Hey. Hey, Tax Spitzer. Bye, y'all.